Day is upon us, but with those beautiful firework displays that we all enjoy so much comes a lot of really anxious pets that can't handle that stress. Here are my 5 tips to help your furry friend cope with firework displays this holiday season. Number 1, make alternative arrangements, especially if you live near where a firework display is occurring. Utilize doggie daycare, or maybe drop your pup off at a friend or family member's house. Number 2, if you're unable to take your pet out of the home, create a safe spot and distract from the noise. Your pet may already have a safe spot like a kennel or under the bed. Ensure that that spot is available and your pet has easy access to it. If you can't be at home because of work or some obligation, you may want to consider hiring a sitter. Number 3, prepare for the show. Make sure your pet has food and water long before the show begins, because they likely will not eat with all that noise going on outside. Take them for a lengthy walk, or maybe play a long game of fetch prior to the show to wear them out. A sleepy dog with a full belly is a calmer dog. Be sure to shut all the windows and blinds. Play some soft music and speak to them in a soothing voice. And lastly, be sure to give them an extra special treat they're not used to getting. It will be a great distraction, something like maybe a Kong with frozen peanut butter, or an antler, or maybe just one of those long-lasting chew toys. You won't regret it. Number 4, utilize your tools. Essential oils like lavender are safe for dogs and help with anxiety just like they do with humans. Thunder shirts or anxiety wraps are available at your local pet store or online, and they can help long after fireworks with things like thunderstorms. Just be sure to get the right size. And lastly, anxiety medications. Be sure to consult your veterinarian for the proper prescription for your pup. Number 5, desensitize your dog to the noise. Just like a hunting dog can become acclimated to gunshots, your dog can become prepared to deal with fireworks by this time next year. It does take time and dedication though. The idea is to play fireworks at a soft volume while petting your dog and giving them a tasty treat. Over the months, increase that volume so that slowly they're used to the louder sounds of fireworks and they can associate it with something pleasant. It is highly recommended that you consult a trainer if you choose to go this route, because increasing the volume too soon, too fast can cause a greater distress to your dog, and you certainly don't want to harm them. So those are your 5 tips for helping your dog cope with the fireworks. Feel free to reach out to me anytime if you'd like my sources or if you have any additional questions. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July season. Thanks. Have a great day.